What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to track wallets on Photon. So you might be wondering how to exactly do this. Well, using or tracking wallets on Photon is pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and access Photon and you want to go ahead and log in with your wallet. Now in here, we want to go and access one of the tokens or pairing info here. So for example, let's go and open up one of this. Now, in the page or token page here, what you need to do is you want to go to the holders tab here in order for you to see the people who are currently holding this specific token in their wallet. So you can go ahead and click on their address here to view the full details about it. But what's important here is going to be the address you see here. So you can go and click on copy clipboard. Now also, you should be able to see their transaction in here. So yeah, so if you want to basically analyze that, you can go ahead and do that. But you can also use a tool here on Telegram. So in this case, you can actually use CLO free bot. So they have multiple bots here. You could use, like, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Currently, I'm using CLO free bot number 4 here, which allows you to start tracking your in this case, wallets that you want to track. So first, you want to open up the CLO free bot here on Telegram, and you want to go ahead and basically click on the start button or start button that you see here, or just type in start here or /start. Now from here, it's going to click on add. From here, it's going to say, what do you want to track? Let's go and choose wallet. And from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and just specify a few things. So tracking bot is active. So to add a new wallet in one line, you just need to go ahead and basically choose add here, wallet, then going to be the label for it. So just an idea, let's go and just type this in, add. So let's go and make sure it's properly set up here, add the address. And from here, you just need to add the MEV collector. Now, you could also choose the chains here. So in this case, since I'm not mistaken, we are using Solana here. So by the way, if you don't see Solana in the wallet option, you could go and go back to the main menu here and just basically click or select Solana wallet. And from here, you just need to fill out a few things, like for example, the filters here, swap buy, rewards, NFT trade. You can go and basically specify a few your appropriate options here. But let's go and click on confirm here. In this case, going to say Ethereum minimum account DeFi alerts option. You can go ahead and specify that. So for example, let's go and just add the number here. Go and send this. And now here, you want to go ahead and specify or paste your wallet. And you want to basically follow the format here. So I address label. So I'm going to say it is going to be test wallet. And from here, it's going to just send this. See if it's going to be accepted. And that should be added. By the way, if you're having or still having some problems here, so for the format, instead of just adding like an underscore on it, you just need to put a space instead of an underscore. You should be able to add a wallet. But yeah, so in this case, you could go ahead and go to menu here, and you can go and choose list here if you want to list all the wallets that you're currently tracking. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.